The Supreme Court just handed Donald Trump another stunning victory, and this one has huge consequences for civil rights. By a 6-3 vote, the court allowed Trump's administration to continue what can only be described as roving racial profiling. That means ICE agents can stop, question, and detain people based solely on whether they look Latino, speak Spanish, or appear to be day laborers, no warrant, no reasonable suspicion required. Justice Brett Kavanaugh brushed this off as a minor inconvenience. But let's be clear, U.S. citizens who happen to speak Spanish or look Latino are now at risk of being targeted simply for existing. Even Justice Sotomayor blasted the ruling, saying plainly, we should not have to live in a country where the government can seize anyone who looks Latino or speaks Spanish. This ruling is more than discrimination, it's a setup. Because once ICE inflames tensions in cities like Los Angeles, Trump can point to the unrest as justification for sending in the National Guard or even the Marines. We've already seen this playbook. First, deploy ICE. Then, when people push back, claim chaos and roll out the military. It's a thinly veiled pretext for authoritarian control. And while the court hasn't yet ruled on Newsom versus Trump, the case challenging Trump's use of the military domestically, this decision raises serious alarms. If the court is willing to greenlight racial profiling, what's to stop it from gutting the Posse Comitatus Act, a law that has existed since the 1800s to prevent presidents from using the military as a domestic police force? This is not just about Trump. It's about whether the Supreme Court will continue dismantling protections that have stood since the founding of the Republic, and whether we're willing to accept a country where race and language alone can be treated as crimes.